You don't know what you got.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Jaquan. I have a big box right here. Don't know what it is yet. All I see is footwear. I recently ordered some custom KD5 Galaxies a couple months, about last month ago. Week before Christmas. No, it was a week. Was it a week before Christmas or during Christmas? Yeah. Anyway, ordered some custom KDs off NikeID.com. And it took a while to come in because they had to make them. But I'm about to open the box up. Yeah, these are my own shoes. They made them. I'm excited. I got these because I couldn't get the Bread 11s that day. It was the same day the Bread 11s came out. Tried to get them online, but websites crashed, so couldn't get them. So I just settled for. No, I got it. I'm not. You see the Nike ID symbol right there. There we go. Alright, we're gonna see how these babies look.
Lord have mercy.
Yo, these strings are sweet.
What size are they, Jaquan?
11s. These are size 11.
Long as they big enough.
Yo, I love these.
I like them better than the red ones.
The Bread. She talking about the Bread 13s I just got. They came out a couple weeks ago. These white shoestrings are white right now, but I ordered the ones that glow in the dark, so they're gonna glow in the dark at night. So these, what? They glow in the dark.
These glow in the dark.
The shoestrings.
Yeah.
Yeah, these ones. They look white in the daytime, but when in the night they glow in the dark. So I got the Galaxy 5 KDs, kind of like a lime green color. Other shoe. Pretty good price. It was like $170. It wasn't that much.
Yes, it was.
It was not. Well, probably like the same. Well, Jordan's $170 now. I know the 13s are $170. You got the KD symbol. I didn't know this was gonna ship this fast though. And the best part, I got my name engraved in them. On the tongue, as you can see, J right there. J.
Boy, you a trip.
Web right here on our second shoe. So they came. J Web. That's me.
They came yesterday, you know.
They did. Why you ain't say nothing?
I'm mad with you because you didn't clean your
Oh
room.
my gosh. So they been came and they hid them from
They
me.
came yesterday.
Well, I'm glad I see them today. That's great. But yeah, go follow me on Twitter at Tropicana. That's TROPEECANA. Follow me on what's my Instagram? My Instagram is MaxSteez_ID. That's MAXSTEEZ_ID. And that's pretty much it. That's all I get on. Alright, this is my debut. Well, opening up my new shoes, and that's it. Catch y'all later.